talk to you guys today about the brand new MSA300. This is on the AP platform from Stihl Incorporated. This is the most powerful battery powered solid steel currently offers. It uses the AP500 battery as well. The MSA300 can use bar lengths of 16, 18, or 20 inches. It uses the new 325 50 gauge bar and chain combination. So this is a great professional level saw. It's got a magnesium housing. Just a great all-around pro saw for everything from tree felling to limbing to bucking logs to length. It's a great all-around professional battery saw.